Hello viewers, welcome or welcome back to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, you are going to learn how to write application for leave of absence by parents. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. 2. The principal. Next, your school name and your school address. Next, you have to mention the date on which you are submitting the application in the format date, month and year. Next comes your subject line. Here, for example, I am writing application for leave of absence. Respected sir or ma'am, I am. Here you have to write the name of your parent who is writing this application. Next, father or mother of. Here comes the name of the student. Studying in. Here you have to mention in which class the student is studying, and also you can mention the section in which he or she is enrolled. I am writing you this to let you know that here mention the student's name was absent from school yesterday as he was suffering from a terrible headache. In that situation, we could not send him to school. In the next paragraph, write, I request you humbly to approve this leave request from me as a guardian. I shall be much obliged. Next, towards the left hand side corner, write, thanking you, yours faithfully, the parent's name along with his signature.